Hello students, my name is Dr. Darshana Mhatre from Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research. Today we will have a demonstration of Lyophiliser. So this is a Lyophiliser machine. This is also called as freeze dryer. This machine works on converting the solid into the gaseous form, and for this we have to work on the principle of sublimation. So this particular machine work on the principle of sublimation. So what is sublimation? Sublimation is a phase transition from solid, that is from ice, to the gaseous form, that is vapor form. So this machine work to convert the liquids into the solid powder without heating or increasing the temperature, and that is why it helps to maintain the structural integrity as well as the chemical composition intact of the powder sample. So we will have a quick look at the construction of this particular machine. So we have to have a first, that is the main switch. From main switch we have to put on the switch. We have a compressor. The compressor chamber is made up of high grade stainless steel, and we have a cooling bars which are been located inside this compressor. We have the pump, vacuum pump, which maintains the pressure below 0.05 millibar, and we have these vacuum tubings which are made up of the high grade rubbers, as well as we have the vent which is positioned at the lowest position of this lyophiliser chamber to empty or remove any kind of ice which is left. Moving forward with the working of this particular machine, we have to first put on the switch. After putting on the switch, we have to put on the mains of the machine from this button and the compressor of the machine from this. We have to wait till the machine reaches to the temperature of minus 40 degrees Celsius. So once the temperature reaches to minus 40 degrees Celsius, we will place our sample to the vacuum holders. Till that time we have to wait to drop the pressure to the minus 40 degrees Celsius. Now for any sample to process here, we have to have the sample in the form of solid ice. So this is our sample. We have a solid iced milk with us for the lyophilization. For this, what we will do first, we will just keep this particular conical flask in this vacuum tube. We will ensure that this particular conical flask is been properly fit inside this vacuum tube. Once it is fit, what we will do, we will put on the pump. Once we have put on the pump, what we will do, we will start with the evacuating from this side, so that the vacuum will be remain in the machine. And afterwards, we will open the knob of this rubber tubing, which will start creating the vacuum inside this particular conical flask. Now the process of lyophilization has started. For this process to complete, we will require minimum of 24 hours, and after 24 hours, this solid ice will be converted into the powder form. For now, we have a sample with us that we can show you. After 24 hours, we can have the sample in this kind of powder form. You can see clearly the solid milk has been converted into the powder milk powder, that is a completely dry milk powder after 24 hours. So this is how the lyophilization works, and this machine is very useful for the herbal products as well as the products which are temperature sensitive, as well as those are degraded at the very high temperature, so that we can convert those sample into the powder form. The only disadvantage of this machine is that a high energy consumption. It requires more time to convert your liquid into the solid form. That means minimum 24 hours of the time is required. But in spite of this particular drawback, you can use this machine efficiently for converting your sensitive products into the powder form. I hope you find this particular video useful for your research. Thank you very much.